Thinking of buying a BMW in 2026? Pick the wrong one and bad timing chains or electrical headaches will ruin your bank account. Hit like, subscribe, and let us reveal the ultimate 5 models you should actually buy. BMW 3 Series 2019. The BMW 3 Series has long been the benchmark for executive sports saloons, but the G20 generation launched for 2019 represents a massive leap forward in build quality, tech, and mechanical reliability. BMW completely overhauled the chassis and electrical architecture for this model, solving the minor weaknesses of previous generations to build a vehicle that is sharp to drive and remarkably tough. Under the bonnet, the absolute sweet spot for UK drivers is either the 320i petrol or the ultra-frugal 320d diesel. Both models feature updated 4-cylinder engines paired with the silky, smooth ZF 8-speed automatic gearbox. The 320d is a total motorway legend, producing 190 horsepower while comfortably achieving over 62 miles per gallon on long commutes down the M1 or M4. It is fully compliant with all major UK clean air zones, so you can drive into city centres without paying daily charges. Inside the cabin, the 2019 3 Series introduced the crisp iDrive 7 system with dual digital screens, intuitive physical controls, and supportive sports seats that keep you comfortable on long trips. The steering is direct, the chassis is balanced, and the boot space is a very practical 480 litres. Right now in the UK used car market, a clean 2019 BMW 320d or 320i M Sport with a full service history sells for between $15,500 and $18,200. When inspecting a used example, verify that the automatic transmission shifts effortlessly and make sure the iDrive system updates without glitches. It is the ultimate everyday driver that offers unbeatable value for money. Help us reach our 1,000 subscriber milestone. Looking to buy or trade in your next car? Get the latest launches, great deals on used cars, and in-depth reviews. Click subscribe and become part of our community. BMW 5 Series Touring 2018. If you want a vehicle that offers immense interior space, executive luxury, and a ride quality that makes long-distance travel completely effortless, the 2018 G01 BMW 5 Series Touring is arguably the finest estate car on British roads. While many buyers jump straight into heavy SUVs, smart drivers know that a premium estate offers better aerodynamics, sharper handling, and far more practical boot space. The 520d Touring or 530d Touring variants are the ideal choices for British families and long-distance commuters. The 520d returns an impressive 56 miles per gallon on steady runs, while the 3.0-litre straight-six 530d delivers effortless overtaking power with smooth acceleration. Rear air suspension comes as standard on the Touring model, ensuring the car remains completely level and composed even when fully loaded with luggage or towing equipment. Inside, the boot offers a massive 570 litres of space with the rear seats up, expanding to 1,700 litres when folded flat. It also features BMW's iconic independently opening rear glass window, allowing you to drop small bags into the boot without opening the full tailgate. The cabin is whisper-quiet, heavily soundproofed and fitted with plush leather seats. On the UK market today, a pristine 2018 BMW 5 Series Touring with full service records sells for between $16,800 and $20,500. When taking one on a test drive, ensure the rear air suspension inflates smoothly and check that the electronic tailgate operates properly. It is the ultimate long-distance family cruiser. BMW 1 Series 2020. For drivers looking for a premium compact hatchback that is easy to park, cheap to insure, and packed with cutting-edge technology, the 2020 F40 generation BMW 1 Series is an exceptional choice. When BMW switched this model to a front-wheel drive platform, purists were skeptical, but the result is a hatchback with vastly improved interior space, better boot capacity, and predictable handling on wet UK roads. The standout engine for everyday driving is the 118i petrol, powered by a punchy 1.5-litre turbocharged 3-cylinder engine. It delivers lively performance around town while returning roughly 48 miles per gallon in mixed driving conditions. If you do heavy motorway miles, the 118D or 120D diesels offer impressive torque and push fuel economy over 60 miles per gallon. Inside, the cabin quality matches the larger 3 Series, featuring high-end, soft-touch materials, customizable ambient lighting, and the brilliant iDrive infotainment system with full smartphone connectivity. Boot capacity is a healthy 380 litres, putting it on par with the Volkswagen Golf. In the UK used car market right now, you can buy a clean 2020 BMW 118i M Sport for between $14,500 and $17,200. When inspecting a used model, test all touchscreen controls and check the outer edges of the front tyres for even wear. It is a stylish, reliable and premium daily driver. BMW X3 2019. If you prefer a higher driving position, great road visibility, and the ability to handle harsh winter weather or muddy country lanes with confidence, the 2019 G01 BMW X3 is one of the best luxury family SUVs on the market. Built on a lightweight chassis, it combines SUV practicality with the athletic driving dynamics BMW is famous for. The xDrive 20D diesel or xDrive 20i petrol are the prime sweet spots for British buyers. Fitted with BMW's intelligent xDrive four-wheel drive system, it provides relentless traction on slippery UK roads while returning up to 48 miles per gallon on the diesel version. The 8-speed automatic gearbox works flawlessly, delivering seamless power whenever you need it. The interior is spacious and elevated, offering comfortable seating for 5 adults and a generous 550-litre boot. The dashboard layout is clean and user-friendly, featuring physical buttons for heating alongside the intuitive central screen. On the UK market today, a clean 2019 BMW X3 xDrive 20D with around 50,000 miles sells for between $19,500 and $23,200. When buying, check that the xDrive system operates quietly on full steering lock and inspect the service history to ensure oil changes were completed on schedule. It is a classy, deeply dependable family SUV. BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe 2018. For buyers who want the aggressive, head-turning looks of a sports coupe combined with the practical 5-door layout of a family hatchback, the 2018 F36 BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe is an absolute winner on the used market. It offers a lower, wider stance than the 3 Series Saloon, giving it fantastic road presence without compromising on daily usability. The 420i petrol and 420d diesel models are the most popular choices in the UK, both offering a great balance of performance and fuel efficiency. The 420d easily achieves over 58 miles per gallon on steady drives, making it an economical long-distance cruiser. Despite its sleek, sloping coupe roofline, the large rear hatchback tailgate lifts up to reveal a surprising 480 litres of boot space, making it easy to load luggage or large items. Inside, you get frameless side windows, low-slung sports seats, and a high-quality dashboard fitted with a reliable iDrive system. In the UK right now, a well-maintained 2018 BMW 420d or 420i Gran Coupe M Sport sells for between $12,800 and $15,500. When inspecting one, pay close attention to the door seals around the frameless glass and ensure the hatchback struts operate smoothly. It is a stylish, highly practical executive car that stands out on every street. Help us reach our 1,000 subscriber milestone. Looking to buy or trade in your next car? Get the latest launches, great deals on used cars, and in-depth reviews. Click subscribe and become part of our community.